This starts as ordinary sand, but within seconds, it turns into liquid fire hotter than lava. What happens next will completely change how you see your phone. The glass becomes perfectly flat, shaped by machines with microscopic precision. But this is only the beginning of making it nearly unbreakable. This is how fire becomes strength, and sand becomes the screen you touch every day. Watch till the end to see the full transformation. These raw materials are carefully mixed with chemicals to prepare for the transformation into glass. The mixture is then fed into a powerful furnace, where temperatures exceed 1600 degrees Celsius. Within moments, the solid materials melt into a glowing liquid, almost like flowing lava. At this stage, the molten glass is so hot that even getting close requires extreme protection. Next, the glass is refined to remove every tiny air bubble and impurity. This process ensures the glass becomes perfectly smooth and uniform. The liquid glass is then guided through a controlled channel to shape its flow. Here, the glass begins to form into a thin, continuous sheet. Now comes a fascinating step, the tin bath, where the glass floats on liquid metal. This allows the glass to become incredibly flat, almost like a perfect mirror. Machines carefully control the thickness to ensure precision at every level. Robotic systems and lasers cut the glass into exact dimensions. The glass is then slowly cooled to prevent cracks and internal stress. As the temperature drops, the glass solidifies into a clear, durable sheet. Each piece is carefully inspected to ensure there are no flaws. The glass is then cut into smaller panels for further processing. Polishing gives the glass a flawless, ultra-smooth finish. Only perfectly finished glass passes the final inspection. And just like that, ordinary sand has become a perfectly engineered glass sheet. After initial shaping, the glass panels move into advanced processing for further refinement. Here, high-precision sensors scan the glass surface at a microscopic level. Even the smallest imperfections are detected and marked instantly. Any flawed pieces are removed, while only perfect glass moves forward. Next, the edges are carefully ground to remove sharpness and improve durability. Special grinding wheels shape the edges, while cooling systems prevent overheating. The glass is then thoroughly washed to remove any dust or residue. Powerful air systems dry the glass, leaving a perfectly clean surface. Before strengthening, the glass undergoes a special chemical pretreatment. This step prepares the surface for the strengthening process ahead. The panels are carefully lowered into specialized treatment tanks. Inside, a controlled chemical environment begins to alter the glass at a molecular level. Over time, this process enhances the internal strength of the glass. Once complete, the glass is carefully removed from the solution. It is then rinsed again to remove any remaining chemicals. A controlled drying process ensures the surface remains flawless. Additional polishing enhances clarity and optical performance. Additional polishing enhances clarity and optical performance. Precision tools verify that every panel meets exact specifications. Precision tools verify that every panel meets exact specifications. The finished panels are aligned and prepared for the final stage. At this point, the glass is fully refined and ready for the strengthening process. Now begins the most critical phase, the strengthening process that makes this glass incredibly tough. The glass is submerged into special ion exchange tanks filled with heated chemical solutions. At a microscopic level, smaller ions are replaced with larger ones, creating internal pressure. This process compresses the surface, making the glass far more resistant to damage. Over several hours, the glass transforms into a much stronger material. Once complete, the glass is carefully removed from the solution. It is then thoroughly cleaned to remove any chemical residue. A controlled drying process ensures a flawless finish. Now, the glass is stronger and more durable than ever before. Sharp objects struggle to leave even a mark on this surface. It can withstand intense pressure without cracking. Even when dropped, it's designed to survive impacts. Thanks to internal compression, it resists shattering. Extreme testing ensures it meets the highest durability standards.
Only the toughest and most perfect pieces are approved.
Now, the glass is ready to become part of a smartphone. Each panel is precisely aligned with the phone's body. Advanced machines securely bond the glass to the device. The result is a sleek, crystal-clear display.
Every touch you make feels smooth and precise.
Millions of these screens are produced with the same precision.
Each one is carefully packed and prepared for delivery.
From factory floors to global markets, the journey continues. Until it finally reaches your hands.
A simple touch, backed by an incredible process.
From molten fire to flawless technology. Transformed into one of the strongest materials you use every day. It all started with ordinary sand. And the next time you touch your phone, remember, you're touching something that was once liquid fire. If this amazed you, don't forget to follow for more incredible stories behind everyday technology.